Hey guys, this is Adam with HealthyThaiRecipes.com, and today I am doing a recipe that we have had for a while with green apples and some Thai peppers and cucumbers that we've had some interest in lately. So my wife came up with this, Maud came up with this. It's kind of like papaya salad if you've ever had that, but we're leaving out fish paste because I can't eat it. It's just not something Americans are used to. So if you want to put that in, you can add that in. The ingredients are on the blog. Otherwise, it's very simple. It's early spring, 50s out. We have a fire going. We're about to go rock climbing. So this is a good recipe that's light and healthy and easy, and you can still go do stuff afterwards. I'm going to put some salmon on it afterwards, but this is fine just how it is. So this is starting off, how much is this of cucumber? 4. So yeah, Maud introduced me to these Persian cucumbers and we both just love them. They're absolutely delicious. If you can find them, they're a little bit small. And then this is how many apples? 2 apples, green apples. You just use a shaver like a carrot shredder or something, or you can just knife cut them like Juliet them, whatever you have. So this was just done within like 10 minutes. So they turn brown really fast. So you kind of have to move fast on this recipe. They've just been sitting out for like, no kidding, like 10 minutes. So this is just a salad, so that's easy. This is optional. It's just a fresh jalapeno. It's not even on the blog right now. I'll have to put it on there. Just came up with it. This is, how many Thai peppers is that? 6. So we're doing it with 6 Thai peppers. These guys are really hot. So you may want to start with just 1 or 2 and then ease in. And this is fish sauce, I believe. What is it? Oh, lemon juice. Okay, or lime juice, whatever you have. We happen to have lemons. The recipe calls for limes, but it's interchangeable. Okay. Sorry about that. That's our local kiddo. So this is the fish sauce, and so that's it. It's just as easy as that, and we're gonna toss it up. Everything mixed through real well. It's amazing how fast that green apple started. It's called a cross-chain reaction when they turn brown like that. I've looked it up before. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm gonna throw the jalapeno in. So I'm gonna kind of leave some back in case it's too spicy. Jalapenos really aren't spicy unless you put the seeds in. The same for the Thai pepper. You can roll them in your hands and then shake the seeds out if you want to decrease the heat. Or you can just, vary the amount too, either way. I kind of like them for color. So some red ones in there. And if you want more color, you can just get the seeds out and then it's not as hot.